Hi everyone, it's Jeffrey and welcome back to my channel. Today for the Vlogmas video, I wanted to do a travel essentials video because it's traveling season with the holidays. I wanted to share my travel essential items with you because I have traveled a lot and I have some favorite items that I love to take with me. I'm super excited because today's video is sponsored. It's my first sponsored video before. This video is sponsored by Jollying. Jollying makes luggages. Jollying has made it a mission to provide a fresh perspective on travel, imbuing their products with the desire to get away. They sent me 2 suitcases, which I'm going to unbox for you, and then I will show you the rest of my travel essentials. I will link Jollying in the description box down below so that you can check them out if you're interested, and there will be a link for you and a code so that you can get 20% off your order. This link is a commission link, so if you do choose to purchase, I will earn a commission if you use my link. Let's get into the unboxing. I've been kind of awaiting these suitcases, so I'm excited to unbox them and test them. That was loud. Wait guys, they actually look so nice and they come with this protective sleeve around it. Oh my gosh. So you can keep it like totally protected. I love this. It's like fuzzy and soft and nice. I'm still shook because, as you guys know, I'm a very beginner when it comes to YouTube. And so like the fact that somebody reached out and like wanted to work with me on this like means so much to me. Ah! Okay, this one came wrapped in plastic, so the light blue color is peeking through. It looks so good. Oh my goodness. I love it. The color's so cute and it's not that heavy. Okay, so it has a lock on it. I've never had a bag that locks before, so I'm kind of excited because like kind of a big deal, right? You set the code and then you push this and the zippers like come out. That's cool. And then the way they lock into place, wait, this is like, I've never owned something this fancy, guys. I'm gonna take this one out of its packaging now. I'm still obsessed with the fact that they have this like super nice blanket thing around it. Like what? Look at these though. They are super cute. They're so thin. You might have been wondering why they're so thin, but they actually expand. We'll unzip them. Oh, I was kind of wondering why like more instructions or whatnot like didn't come in here, but the warranty certificate. Oh, I think this is a little sponge to clean it because this is a hard shell and so it might get like scratches on it, so this is a sponge to clean it. Look at the inside though. Super cute. They have the J's all over them. This is a nice little pocket for something. So the sides just fold up and then the sides snap down to just like button it into place. I love what this comes with. These straps, got it all unfolded. This is what it's like. Very sturdy. Also, this handle works really nice. You can leave it on this height, or you can make it this height, or maybe even this height. So it gives you a few different options based on your height and what you're comfortable carrying your suitcase at. Let me set up the other one. Oh my gosh, these are just magnets. I didn't even realize that. These little things are magnetic and you just pop them off. You unlock your suitcase, of course. Wow, with the big one, I didn't even realize this side, there's like a pouch and then there's a clear pouch down here. I'm gonna put this one together. This one, you kind of have to shove the sides down because they go on this little track thing inside of here. Okay, and it's got this strap inside. Again, look at these. I actually can't get over them. They're so stinking cute. All right, some of the key features of these suitcases. The first thing is they can fold down, which they came to me folded down, so you saw how thin they were. Thin enough that I can store them under my bed, which is going to be amazing because my current suitcases I use, they're in my sister's room because my sister's away at college, so I just like shoved them in her room. Normally, they're like not even in our house, they're in our backyard in a shed, and I have to go and get them outside every time I want to like pack for a trip. These bad boys are gonna be staying under my bed, which will be super convenient. The next thing is they are waterproof. I'm from rainy Seattle and I don't want all my stuff getting wet. This is hard shell, which is obviously plastic, but then this is like a fabric, but the water just beads right off. The design of these, super good. Like even these zippers over here, these zippers click in and then you lock it. And it's super cute because it says J for Jeffrey, obviously. I'm just kidding, for jollying. Lastly, I do want to mention that they come in all different types of colors. They come in this light pink, which I almost thought about getting because it was so cute, but I don't know. I went with the light blue because I'll see my bag come in and I'll know it's mine, which is perfect. But they have a variety of colors. They also have this super cute like pastel yellow, kind of like this color actually. I'm very excited to take these suitcases on my next trip.